Hi, good afternoon. I am Deepak Vasu, General Manager Sales from TSK, Baroda. We are basically a hospitality company from Baroda, right now participating in Chennai Trade Fair, Horeca. Basically, we are into hotel solutions and we provide solutions to all the hotel caterers and the cafes over here. And we have a range of products starting from the spices, the masalas. We have ready to cook gravies, we have frozen, and we have the cake premix also. And last few hours we have been experiencing a lot of people coming, having looking at our products, tasting the products, and they are really enjoying the products. And I'm very sure our business will grow in leaps and bounds after this exhibition. We have very high hopes from this exhibition and from Chennai. So thanks Chennai, and thanks to Chennai Trade Center. Thank you.
What are the future plans?
The future plans basically is right now we are targeting India. We already have our operations in Australia where we have our restaurants. We are coming up with our restaurants in Canada, New Zealand, USA and Dubai. These are the locations we are starting our own hotels, and we are also starting our distribution 2024 in these countries also. So the immediate planning after 2023 is to explore the export market also.
Where is the factory?
Our factory is in Vadodara, that is Gujarat based. Yeah.
What about your R&D department regarding
Research, product research.
Basically, this company is owned by Chef Anal Gotak. She is a celebrity chef. She has already come into Master Chef for 3 times as a panelist. And we have from top to bottom, starting from sourcing the spices to the finished product to the manufacturing done by us only. So it is not that we design the product and we make it by someone else, or we manufacture or make the design by someone else. We design the product, we make the recipes, we make the raw material, we manufacture the product, and then we sell it our own. So all the top to bottom, A to Z is done by TSK itself. So we are very sure about the quality. Any problems, any changes is required territorial. So if I am coming from Gujarat, if Chennai requires their own taste, we can do that change also. So we are very customized.
So what about the ingredients? Whether you are importing any products from abroad or
All the products are Indian, so it's totally an Indian made company. It's all made in India, and it's all ethical, and all like what we say as made in India. We also have our own contract farming, so the tomatoes and the onions, they are grown by us, whereas all the other ingredients which are used, the spices and the other products are bought from the bases. So whichever city or whichever the farm is very popular for us for certain spices, we get it from there only. Like Guntur chili, we get it from south, so we get it from south only. Similar. Yeah, thank you.